Hey guys, it's Carl of McClarty Films. We are here in Redrock Canyon, just outside of Las Vegas, about half an hour drive. And this is a great place, a shooting location. So if you ever come to Vegas, this is a nice place, a short hike off the road, and you get a little bit of privacy. Anyway, so today, why I brought you out here, and it's about 7 in the morning because I wanted to get ahead of this heat because it's supposed to be 109 today. I wanted to show you an unboxing or unbagging of a t-shirt that I'm gonna have for you guys on my YouTube channel. And it is hot, so I gotta finish this video before the camera overheats. Okay, so this is a VR themed t-shirt, and you can find the link in my YouTube on McClarty Films. Let's see, I haven't seen this before. Pretty excited. Oh ho ho. And I got two variants, different sizes and materials. Let's look at the extra large first. Hold on. Sorry about the camera shake there. Hopefully we're still recording. We are still recording, and there are some airplanes flying overhead. Sorry about the noise, but of course, right when I wanted to film, there's a plane. Oh ho! So I get black t-shirts because black doesn't reflect light, and it makes you look skinnier. So I like to wear black t-shirts, and I like black with white ink. And so there it is. Voila! I haven't even seen it yet. You guys are the first to see it. What is it? Can you see the details? I'll put it a little bit closer. I don't want to make you cross-eyed, but there we go. Okay, so it says camera ready, and Yongyuan means always camera ready, and it's a chick in a VR headset. And then here we have old school numbers in Thai for like the clock, the time on a hands on a clock. I'm gonna step behind camera and put this one on. Oh, by the way, this t-shirt is one of my favorite t-shirts. This one is from the Bloody Vegetarian Festival that I filmed. You got the full VR documentary. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch it. Put a lot of effort into that, and it's very cool. You'll see some bizarre traditional culture in Thailand. Filmed that in Phuket last year. Anyways, back to the shirt. I'm gonna don the shirt and see how it fits. And the material's nice. It's I think it's a cotton, heavy cotton. And I'll look at this, 100% cotton. This one's 100% cotton. I'm gonna put it on and see how it feels. Oh yeah. Okay. So that feels pretty good. How's it look? It's a little big. This is the extra large, but I'm sure if you wash it, it'll shrink. So that's the extra large. Let me just take a look at the large. And they're actually different materials. I got slightly different materials to see which one I like better. I'll tell you, this other one I think is thinner. It's a thinner material, which might be better for summertime. Yeah, this one definitely looks thinner. I'm gonna put this other one on now too. Let's see, this one it's also 100% cotton, but it's just a different blend, a different like thread count, but it looks super cool. This is my first print on demand shirt, so you can pick these up on, I'll put a link down below. Show some support. I'm only making a couple bucks off of them, so I'm trying to keep the cost down low. Should be just a little bit over 20 bucks, and available only in the US right now, because I'm just figuring out the whole Shopify thing. So let me try this other one on here. Oh yeah, that's that is a thinner material, which is definitely good for Vegas summers. And this is the large, not the extra large. So this one fits better without washing it. I'll have to see how much they shrink and stuff in the washer or in the dryer. Sometimes if my favorite t-shirts, I don't actually put them in the dryer. I just, I drip dry. I hang them up to dry. That way the t-shirts last longer. But I did this print so that it's not really heavy. It's not gonna stick. So it's DTG, it's printed right on the material. And there's not that much, sticker on it. It's mostly just lines with negative space. By design, show some support. Always be camera ready. What does that mean? Have your gear ready, have your batteries charged, check your equipment, be basically locked and loaded so that if something comes up, you're ready to shoot. So camera ready means have everything prepped and ready to go. So if you just need to grab your bag, go out the door and shoot, you're ready. And yeah, it's just good practice. I always try to be camera ready. Trying to get it on VR 3D for you. So that's it for today. And let me just tell you a little bit about Redrock Canyon. So I did a bikini shoot here before. I might do another one soon. One of my earliest videos in VR was with, it was a couple of 4th of Julys ago, and I had red, white, and blue bikinis out here in Redrock. And this is where I shot it. And it's cool because it's, like I said, it's semi-private. Not a lot of people out here. It does get really hot, so you need to come. The best light is actually in the morning. I came in the afternoon last time, so you'll have backlighting. But right now the sun's right ahead. The sun, that is east, so the sun rises in the east, sets in the west. So it's better if you come out here in the mornings as early as possible, right after sunrise if you're out here in the summer months. That's it for today, man. I'll show you, I'll clip in a couple of B-rolls, shoot some of the scenes in here, so I get out of the way and show you the location. But what else can I say? When you come out to the desert, always bring water. Bring sunscreen, a little bit of sunscreen. Bring chapstick. I don't think this has sunblock on it. Bring some sunblock chapstick. And check this out. Bring a golfer umbrella. So this is, I think I got this at Walmart, but it's cool because it gets really hot out here. And a regular umbrella, bring a big brolly for your model. She will thank you because it does get very, very hot out here. And pack light. Oh, wear hiking shoes. You guys have been following my channel, you'll know that I broke my foot a couple months ago, 3 months now. And it's because I was wearing some shoddy shoes out in the desert. So bring a good pair of hiking boots. All right, that's it. Hey, morning. Sorry to block your path.